Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Zig, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Bitmoji on Snapchat. So let's get started. It's very easy. Now just go ahead and open your Snapchat app and click on this profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you click on that, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down a little bit, you find this Bitmoji option. Click on that, and now you have to click on this button, this create my avatar button, and then you need to select your gender, either male or female. All right, then your Bitmoji is going to generate. Now as you can see, I have these options right here, this Bitmoji option. It's been created for me, so I'm going to choose any of them and click on the continue button. So after that, you need to choose your skin tone. I'm kind of chocolate, light chocolate. Okay, then go ahead and save it. Then you can choose to pick an outfit for yourself, or you can say no to that. So I'm going to choose an outfit. All right, this is nice. Now if you want to change other things like your hair color, your eyes, your nose, you can just click on it at the bottom and proceed to doing that. Now once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on save at the top right corner, and then your Bitmoji will be saved for you. Now if you go back to your profile, you'll notice you have a new Bitmoji right here, and this Bitmoji will be used as your profile picture. And also if you want to edit this picture, or if you want to edit this Bitmoji at any time, or if you want to delete the Bitmoji at any time, you have to click on the settings icon at the top right corner again, and then select Bitmoji option. And now you find the option to change, to do some editing like changing your outfit, blah blah blah. So if you feel like deleting these Bitmoji, you can click on this unlink my Bitmoji at the bottom, and that is going to remove this Bitmoji from your Snapchat app. Alright guys, this is how you can create a Bitmoji on Snapchat with your camera. Hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.